At QPL Rural, we have a strict non-smoking policy with all our rental properties. This means that tenants are not allowed to smoke anywhere inside of any property. If tenants still choose to smoke inside the property, they could be responsible for specialised cleaning and deodorising of the inside of the property to reduce and eliminate unpleasant smoke odours. This can easily run into hundreds of dollars and is charged to the tenants. If staff find evidence of tenants smoking inside, they will be given a warning. If tenants continue to smoke inside despite our policy and warning, then they risk their lease not being renewed at the end of their tenancy.